Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Canstar application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap open your app store and then type in Canstar inside the search box. Once you find this application that says Canstar Compare Budget Save, tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Canstar is a financial application that provides customers with information and comparison tools to help them make informed decisions about financial products such as home loans, savings accounts, credit cards, insurance policies, and much more. Tap on the Get button and start downloading the application for your device, and after a couple of minutes, you will be able to open the application right on your iOS device. So that is how you can easily download Canstar application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.